Hey people, so I have to just say this, that when I was in the third standard, I got my first ever book as a prize. Like of course, my mom had got us this book called The Magic Faraway Tree, but this particular book was called Sindbad the Sailor. I got it when I was in the third standard, and it was like an appreciation day. All of us were being given some sort of prize, and I got this, and I'm so happy to say that I still have this book with me. So Sindbad the Sailor, I mean, I should go back and read it, but I remember reading it as an 8-year-old when I was precisely that size and age, and I was fascinated. It's all about Sinbad, who gets to travel and see these different places. So really, people, if you all love for your kids, try and have some sort of it's you give them a book as a prize, and and they will remember you for it. And in fact, it's been even written here: Amrita Suresh, third A, excelled in general awareness and spoken English. But it was like the proudest achievement of my life getting this particular book. But really, yeah, it's called Sindbad the Sailor, and it's among all the 1500 books, more than 1500 books that I have. This would be particularly special. And as you can see, this young man is at the back playing with these two rabbits. Your rabbits, no, they are only 1 month old, what we get, so they don't really survive. So that's what this little guy is, so cute and so adorable. And he's so busy also. Okay. So, and this is Ayush, and he loves coming in my videos, and he's already a celebrity, a small young man. And I need to give him a bath and take him. Today is like a crazy busy day. So, on that note, thanks for watching, and
Please subscribe.
and please